Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Anglo-Sikh Wars. Let us see some background. The Sikh states in Punjab are known as Mizils. There were total 12 Mizils based on principle of equality. Later, the spirit of brotherhood and the unity of Khalsa disappeared. Ranjit Singh became Misildar of Sukarchakia in 1792, which was located in Pakistan. He captured Lahore in 1799 and Amritsar in 1802. He conquered all the Mizils and a powerful Sikh kingdom was created with Lahore as capital. Also, he took the title Maharaja. Also, note that the temple in Amritsar is known as Golden Temple because of him. He plated the temple with gold. Next, Maharaja Ranjit Singh never had a conflict with British and maintained cordial relations. The conflict started after the death of Ranjit Singh. After his death, his minor son Dilip Singh at the age of 8 came to the power, and the power was with his mother Rani Jindan, the de facto ruler. There were two wars fought between British and Punjab. Let us discuss about First Anglo-Sikh War. It took place between 1845 and 1846. The Governor General Hardinge I defeated the Sikhs and concluded the Treaty of Lahore in 1846. They lost the war due to traitors like Prime Minister Raja Lal Singh and others. Coming to the Second Anglo-Sikh War. This took place between 1848 and 1849. The Governor General Dalhousie defeated Sikhs and the entire Punjab was annexed. Also, the mother and son were sent to London as pensioners. Now, let us discuss a question based on this. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Punjab is the last independent state to be absorbed in British Empire in India. This is true. Statement number 2. Wellesley was the Governor General during Anglo-Sikh War 1. This statement is false because Hardinge I was the Governor General during First Anglo-Sikh War. So the answer is A, 1 only. Thank you.